Biya Kamal ka Nuer online TV channel tekon ka update mbana link kui Johnson Shal ke kɔlɔra ray which ka South Sudan bana rash me bana jalinken kan kono ray le kan me mi jira me jidit ka Nuer online TV channel gorejen en wo jinder subscribe kad gorejen wo bader jen wa nasen ko kien en larame bana rash ka kui kɔlɔra ka men ci which South Sudan ci jadak bana gwada danen to gbe metin tama ka jen gwasame bana jelinkel ken yam kan kon re jasame gor jen o jinder sharde ja topi ko shana ngaje no en kolora che rik tungwanung che ka to ko long re rol South Sudan ke jen gwasame ka gote kon kebetin keba gwandatin kon tin terik tekaten chikem bana linge bukon jiga gwanu en jwat jwe me go to ten tama gwada danen te chuy natin ke chune de konti la jiwitin tintel access ke ngade ke clean water ke tele pirgo te jeken ke gwada dan tikitin bo tiken gwa te condition mitela kon mo gwa msham kana ken gwada to kana konen kap jemitin gore je en wo jindir je nywane ko kien ka gore je bon go bane to wan ba ka aware ke bagalar do dan de ran de ro de ganga je ke jene joy chal ka me kolora bana shure ler kana me chuje pero je no bi subscribe ke bi notification bell bi je twan ay ler kana me inshallah ne kolora shene baro shakanak kane di shop ka jan dieju de badak di shakep ka kolora are jo ka kel ka rwade shene baro shakanak kane di jan dieju badak titere kan tama ka jan joye mona chala den wore dien shene di shop ka jan dang ro yir baro shi panken chi go ke shi ka mat ka wal tin kona mat ka la wal polo pan are wi ne te chop ka jan de wuri kel re rol South Sudan kelio chinedi shop ke kinni awun yam te balka kisni chaga kep ko jen joy shal ke kolora mo ka cheni ngwan long chaga nak kolora role South Sudan cha joy kel nang nanu chang ma gorgin mo gwa mi de laslet ka dob dan e kap chonga ja international community chiken kum South Sudan chiken mo ka wal te ba tup te ba na kule tom ka ke ko ba joy me mi shal ke kolora ba je kulu woch kan wala konen cha tup re woch ka walta shop ke 2 million ki million dangro alo ka walta ngwana long kan walati wala konan de na ma ta re wi ka South Sudan ko rob dan de joy me de ka pyonga jam kan wala ton to job ke 2 million ne ki million dangro no kan ka shu wini dial re rol South Sudan jen mu kuna la shu ki jen shang tama ko tele shang mu we ma kan shiran cheliu ka jen joy chal ke kolorame ke chene ngwan che kan che ka kap kebne dial kebe de ni kebne dial content re wich chane ngaje gwanu en jeme kaba kebe je kebe nat ke piu te kantol ala piu walang ni tin kon ki walletin kon mat ke te kantol anyo kebe na ka kwantin kon tin kantala gwa shit kere jiren kon tre yir mu kandor kana tal la jwe mo la ja jikatin ko jen la jamu je be jin midit anyok be point be chu tuk ka piu point du ajala yana ne tam mitiram cha ka ba je moch ka glucose ko be piu point be ko nyok mu nonga ke mitele wel dana ba ji tum ga je ki be mat la ngwang en go be ji na kan jemo kala ja ke ba gwa to long en ler ku yen le ngwa same andor dan che ke betam mishene ite chup ka baro she kan go ne ke jo kel karwade kene jendir badak te ke te radiant chine ri chup ka jindang ri baro chi pangen chi ko pwal re wich ka Western Bargazal state Western Bargazal ngai kono wote teral di te tena long ajan gwane ne no chane ngwan cha juitin no shikan tere wich chadul ken cha chwad SSPD abala de nikir mi yadit alo chari ga longa ke ngai kono no shikarin ka IDP camp ki refugee camp ngai kono refugee camp tel pir gor mal gaten ko ne de ngwala jen je congested china chi kon wan chimet cherong ano anjuye me ke bana ka jen gwas mone baje kwen ya ka do badan che to ga ka tok English ka jen ku jwada me re wich ka Western Bargazal state anishan jelinkel Western Bargazal Health Minister has confirmed a surge in cholera outbreak with 58 cases, including 7 deaths reported in 1 week, since the first cases were detected on February 19. Christopher Bull Madud, Director of Preventive Health Service in Western Bargazal State, Minister of Health, say 2 suspected cases were initially detected in Jur River County and samples were transported to Juba. The result from the National Public Health Laboratory turned out positive. We sent a field survey team to verify it, where samples of the infected were collected and sent to National Laboratory in Juba. We confirmed the test results, which were positive. Since then, the number of cases continued to rise, with 3 new cases recorded in Wau County on Monday. Mr. Madu said the state has now recorded a cumulative total of 58 cases, 27 all whom have been discharged. There is still an increase in cases, as we recorded 3 cases yesterday in Wau. Since the outbreak of the disease on February 19, we have 58 cases of infection and 7 deaths. The state has set up a ward to isolate cases in the county. 10,000 of cases have been recorded in 31 counties across 7 states and 1 administrative area since the outbreak began in October 2024. Rupkona County in Unity State was the most affected. In February 18, the National Ministry of Health insists that the cholera outbreak was under control, with the rate of infection declining due to prevention measures and the availability of the oral vaccine. South Sudan has received around 2 million cholera vaccine as a part of international effort to control the spread of the disease. The World Health Organization, or WHO, say the ongoing influx of people fleeing the conflict in Sudan increase the risk of infectious disease outbreak like cholera and continue to exert pressure on already fragile health system. Persistent chronic gap in health care funding cuts dire water and sanitation condition and gaps in other essential services in South Sudan have also created the perfect condition for cholera to spread, Medicines Sans Frontières said. Medicines Sans Frontières stated that the outbreak was getting worse for people living in IDP camp, internal displaced person camp, who have faced appalling conditions for many years, which have continued to deteriorate as donor funding has diminished. Ala gwada me mgwina mene ala joye me che wo niam ko walte ko la tupke ketin kon la tupke international community eno ka gwina nyok ban wo chi kem ni chika longwana long ki chine wan chika ngware kem ka chital do mi kwa joye me kwa je kap chonga je jen do bada ni chika tok nyok man cha blame long bo kwa je lat kedi ko jen ka Sudan ka ko ko na tok kan ko na tok ba re wech ka so Sudan bane ka reality kan ni content jak joye shal ke kolra ko ba la joye mi jak ajen nana go de nyoy kel en ban nyoy je kale rodien biati ko mal babay